Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Just Play Soccer. I'm Dharmik. Today we will be talking about Mbappe versus Haaland. So, who would be felicitous for Real Madrid? The Champions League round of 16 seen shining stars in the form of Erling Haaland and Kylian Mbappe. As Los Blancos fans breathlessly anticipate of wearing either white next campaign, since both players have been linked to Real Madrid. It is in news that Mbappe and Haaland are well known for turning defenders in favor of moving in on a goal, making their own path in the opposition defense by racing clear with the purpose of getting away. Both the players enjoy playing on the shoulder of the first centre back while pacing themselves to drive for exceptionally well-timed runs into the area. As per my analysis, I also observed this pair playing in complete favour and sync with their team. They hold grounds to gauge as and when to support the team in order to keep possession. Amongst both the players, speaking about Haaland, acting as an alliance connecting one wing to another, routinely fixed in a central position is how he plays, helping his team maintain their shape, thus creating enough space in order for him to receive the ball by stretching the opposition backline. Contrastingly, Kylian Mbappe gravitates around the pitch far more, leaving him in a pool of exceedingly more players around him at the receiving end of the ball. However, the advantage of his pace gives him the benefit to swiftly get out of tricky situations and keep on with the attack. Attributing to the final analysis, the expertise in both the players to successfully create a yard of space to get away with a shot in the opposition area. In extension to the above, Mbappe and Haaland hold skills to maneuver and deceive on-rushing defenders, in turn slicing themselves gain wider space to shoot. After analysing both players, I would conclude by saying they both excel in the mentioned fundamental attributes, which does require to be a top-notch striker. However, they are not cut from the same mold of cloth, keeping up to the uniqueness in their styles of playing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this analysis of two world-class players. Do keep an eye on your notification for more such informative videos. As I always say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and stay safe.